Good morning students. In our last class we completed this chapter motion, physics chapter, class 9. We completed that. We studied about the equations of motion. Lots of numericals I did in the last video also, but some more numericals I was thinking to solve so that we can get more idea that how you will solve the numericals. You can also practice more numerical, you can try more, okay? So see, particular on the equation of motion I am giving these numericals. Equation of motion, three equations we derived from the graphical method. One was V minus U is equal to AT. V initial velocity or final velocity, U initial velocity, A acceleration, T time, okay? Second equation of motion was S is equal to UT plus half AT square. S represent distance there, and the third was V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So by using these three equation of motion you can solve multiple numericals. So see here, first question is a bullet hits a sandbox with a velocity of 20 meter per second. With a velocity, यानी कि जो उसका initial velocity है that is given 20 meter per second and penetrates it up to a distance of 60 meter and inside that sandbox it goes up to 60 meter. Find the acceleration of the bullet. We need to find out the value of A. Now tell me one thing. In sandbox, then when we fire the bullet, that bullet goes inside, penetrate, and after some time, after that 60 meter, it stops. So final velocity will be what? 0. Initial velocity given, final is 0, distance is given. What will be the acceleration? What formula you will apply here? See. For question number 1, we will apply V minus U is equal to A T. Now, what is not given? Time is not given here. We don't know about the time. We cannot apply. Second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Again, time is given. We cannot apply. Third equation is what? V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. So V we know, U we know, S we know. We can apply this equation and we will solve the answer. So for the question number 1, V square 0 minus U square 20 square, that will be 20 into 20, 400 is equal to 2 into A, we need to find out, and S is given 60 meters. So what will be the answer, bacha? Minus 400 is equal to A, 60 to 120, 120 will come this side and it will be 2, 60, 12, 20 minus 10 by 3. So A will be minus 10 by 3 meter per second square. This acceleration comes negative, and negative acceleration is what? Retardation. It means when bullet goes inside, its velocity is decreasing with respect to time, and when velocity decrease with respect to time, acceleration is always negative, and negative acceleration is known as the retardation. So I hope first question you got it. It was very easy. Now come to the second one. What is the second question? Second question is saying a train that is 100 meter long, okay, is moving with the velocity of 72 kilometer per hour. U is given and my marker ink is finished. 72 kilometer per hour. U is given. When it is in kilometer per hour, how you will convert it into meter per second? In 1 kilometer, 1000 meter. In 1 hour, 3600 second. Just divide it and you will get the answer. So what will be it? It will be 2 and it will be 20 meter per second. Okay. So this is the initial velocity. Moving with this, find the time it takes to cross the bridge which is 2 kilometer long. So time हम लोगों को निकालना है. We need to calculate time. Okay. 100 meter long train. Now see. For example, this is bridge. This bridge is given 2 kilometer long. 2 kilometer means 2000 meter. So bridge is 2000 meter. Train is here. Okay? Train is here. Okay? Okay. So now see this train's length is what? This train is 100 meter long. And question को अच्छे से समझो अभी. फिर से सुनो. I am repeating. A train 100 meter long is moving with a velocity of 72 km per hour. Find the time it takes to cross the bridge. Cross द ब्रिज, इसको कंप्लीटली इसको क्रॉस करना है. सो सी डिस्टेंस कितना होगा, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, अदरवाइज इट्स वेरी इजी. 2000 मीटर हियर, 100 मीटर दिस, एंड व्हेन इट विल क्रॉस, इट मींस इसका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट जो है, व्हेन इट विल कम हियर, क्रॉस नहीं होगा क्योंकि एंडिंग पॉइंट फॉर एग्जांपल स्टार्टिंग ए है, एंडिंग बी है. व्हेन एंडिंग पॉइंट बी विल कम एट दिस पॉइंट, so the distance covered कितना होगा, 2000 plus 100 of this train also. So total distance will be what, 2000 plus 100, and it will be 2100 meter. Okay, this will be the distance. Now we know the velocity, we know the distance, we need to find out what, time. Time निकालने के लिए अब now see what is the formula. Velocity is equal to displacement by time, or we can say speed is equal to distance by time. Very simple, time निकालना है. Speed is equal to distance by time. How we will calculate? To calculate that, what we will use, speed is equal to distance by time. So time will be what? Distance by speed. Distance कितना है? 2100 meter. Speed कितनी है? 20. So 105 second will be the answer. I hope you got this question. Question was easy. The tricky part was what? That train's length is 100 meter and the bridge length is 2000 meter. And when train cross it completely, when train cross this bridge completely, so the length covered by the train will be 2000 plus 100. So 2100 meter will be the distance. वेलोसिटी आपको दिया हुआ है 72 किलोमीटर पर आवर. यू विल कन्वर्ट, यू नीड टू कैलकुलेट द टाइम बिकॉज यू डोंट नो फाइनल वेलोसिटी. सो out of 3 you cannot apply, so you can simply apply the formula speed is equal to distance by time, and you will get the time from there. Now the third question, a car accelerate uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Calculate the acceleration and the distance. So very simple, initial velocity is given. Okay, just wait a second, I need to fill my marker. Wait. Here I am with my marker filled with ink. So listen, question number 3 is what? Car accelerate uniformly from 18 km per hour to 36 km per hour in 5 seconds. Initial velocity given, final velocity given, time given, acceleration and distance निकालना है. I think this kind of the numerical we did earlier also. See, very simple. You need to convert unit first because time here in hour, here in second. So just convert in one kind of unit. So what you will do, you fill this. U is equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Now 18 kilometer means 1000, hour 3600. Okay. How you will do this? 2 and 5. So it will be 5 kilometer per hour. Initial velocity U. Final velocity V is 36 kilometer per hour. Again you will convert. When you will convert, it will come 10 meter per second. This is final velocity, this is initial velocity. Time is given 5 seconds. How you will calculate acceleration, bacha? You know, very simple first equation of motion, V minus U is equal to AT. So A is equal to V 10 minus U 5 divided by time 5. So 5 divided by 5, it is equal to 1 meter per second square. Acceleration we calculated. Now it is asking about the second S, distance. So for distance you can apply any of the equation because you know time, initial, final velocity, everything. So you can apply S is equal to ut plus half at square or v square minus u square is equal to 2as. So we will apply v square 100 minus u square 25 is equal to 2 into a. A का value 1 we calculated. S. What will happen here? 100 minus 25 75 divided by 2, and this will be the S distance. So answer will come into meter. Okay. So here you will get this answer. So this will be the distance. So this is third question. Now last question is what? Last question is saying a car starts with a velocity of 10 meter per second. A car starts with a velocity of 10 meter per second. So initial velocity is given. U is given 10 meter per second. Acceleration is given 5 meter per second square. Find the final velocity when the car has traveled traveled a distance 30 meter. S is given 30 meter. We need to calculate final velocity. Which formula we will apply? V minus U is equal to AT? No, T is not given. S is equal to UT plus half AT square? T again not given. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Apply that. V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. We will see unit order is same. All the things are in meter and the second. So nothing mismatch. No need to convert. V square as it is minus U square 100 is equal to 2. A is equal to 5. S is equal to 30. Put these value. V square minus 100 is equal to 5 to 10. 10 into 30, 300. Now from here V square is equal to 100 when it will go this side, so 300 plus 100 it will be 400, and when you will take under root of 400 it will be 20 meter per second. Okay, so this will be your final velocity. So these kind of the numericals on the equation of motion you can practice. More numerical, more worksheet you will find out. So try them. Any doubt you can put your questions, give it to me, I will solve. So all the best. Try out this full chapters numerical. Next class we will meet with the next chapter, force and laws of motion. Stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.